Today let's make cinnamon rolls with cream cheese frosting. Seriously say hello to fluffy and perfect cinnamon rolls packed with a cinnamon brown sugar filling. This cinnamon rolls recipe doesn't require a ton of ingredients, but it does require love and patience to make. I made this cinnamon rolls in just 2 hours. Well, technically they took an hour and 30 minutes to finish this recipe. So yes, you can have warm and fluffy cinnamon rolls in your mouth in just 1 hour and 30 minutes. So let's begin. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup unsalted butter with 3/4 cup warm milk and 1 egg. Give this a very nice mix. Goes in 2.5 tablespoons sugar, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons instant dry yeast. Mix well and leave it for 5 minutes. And to this I'm adding 3 cups all-purpose flour. Combine all the ingredients with flour. And now knead it till it becomes soft dough. Cover and rest it for 5 to 10 minutes. Till then I'll combine half cup brown sugar and 2 teaspoons cinnamon powder. Mix well and set this aside. So it's been more than 5 minutes. Now start rolling dough into rectangle shape. Sprinkle dry flour if required while rolling. Once you are done with rolling, apply 1/4 cup unsalted butter. And now sprinkle brown sugar and cinnamon over the butter. Now tightly roll the dough and pinch to seal the edges of the dough as best as you can. Next step is to cut into equal slices by using thread. I repeat, seal the edges of the dough as best as you can. Now grease the baking dish with butter. And next I'm going to place all the cinnamon rolls. Cover with cling wrap and place it in warm place for an hour. Let the rolls raise for 1 hour while the oven is preheating at 180 degrees Celsius. You can also use cupcake baking tray to bake these cinnamon rolls. After 1 hour, check with the rolls and remove cling wrap. Now bake this for 18 to 20 minutes. While the rolls are baking, I'll make frosting. Add 100 grams cream cheese with 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Goes in 1 cup powdered sugar. Beat the butter, cream and sugar until smooth. And next I'm going to add 4 tablespoons milk. Beat again until combined. Adding 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well and the frosting is ready. And the cinnamon rolls are ready to frost. Spread the frosting on top of the cinnamon rolls. Spread it evenly. Feel free to store your freshly baked cinnamon rolls covered at room temperature for 1 or 2 days and then transfer them to the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Simply reheat in the microwave to get them soft and gooey again and serve warm cinnamon rolls immediately and enjoy. I hope you get a chance to try out this easy cinnamon roll recipe, make them and enjoy with your family. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up below and follow the Instagram page shimis.kitchen for more updates and subscribe. Don't forget to click that little bell icon. So guys, see you soon with more recipes. Take care, stay healthy and have a nice day.